How to fix Vanguard error. This version of Vanguard requires UEFI secure boot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this version of Vanguard requires UEFI secure boot to be enabled error on your Windows PC. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be back in the game in just a few minutes. Before making any changes, let's first check if secure boot is currently disabled. Click the Start button, type system information, and open it. Under System Summary, look for Secure Boot State. If it says off, that's the reason Vanguard isn't launching. Now close System Information and open Settings. Go to System, then Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will restart and open the Windows recovery environment. Once you're on the blue recovery screen, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart to boot directly into your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings. Inside the BIOS, the layout may look different depending on your motherboard or laptop brand. Look for a tab called Security, Boot, or Authentication. Find the Secure Boot option and change it from Disabled to Enabled. After enabling Secure Boot, make sure to save your changes before exiting. Most systems use the F10 key to save and exit, but check the on-screen instructions if yours is different. Confirm the changes, and your computer will restart normally. When Windows loads, you can open System Information again to verify that Secure Boot State now shows on. If it still says off, go back into the BIOS and make sure your changes were saved correctly. Once Secure Boot is enabled, launch Valorant again. In most cases, the Vanguard error will be gone, and the game should start without any problems. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.